In this video, I started exploring drawing with pencils. First, I draw basic shapes with pencils because these basic shapes are present everywhere, even in portraits. So, I decided to draw Barack Obama in pencil. I'll show you the basic steps. I started with an outline using the grid method, then continued with shading and details. I also want to show you my magic red pencil case with everything I used. I use Koinura Progresso woodless pencils in HB, 2B, 6B, and 8B, along with basic BC 0.7 mechanical pencils with 2B, B, HB, and 2H leads. And of course, some wooden pencils from 4H to 8B, plus a few nifty erasers. This is my magic pencil case. Thank you for watching. Have fun drawing and subscribe.